Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your drive. Then you always have something like this. Next thing you need to do is to click on here. Then you'll be taken to all your blocking upload file right here as a result of your phone settings. What you need to do is to simply click on change settings right here. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you turn off this. Transferring file over mobile data may incur additional charges depending on your mobile data. Click on OK. Then you can simply go back. Now you see all your files started to upload straight into your Google Drive. It's that simple. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.